Are you tired of sitting through never-ending meetings that drain your energy and productivity? Do you wish there was a way to transform those mundane gatherings into efficient, engaging, and results-driven sessions? Well, your prayers have been answered. Introducing Dealing with Meetings You Can't Stand by Dr. Rick Brinkman, renowned co-author of the international bestseller, Dealing with People You Can't Stand. With his expert guidance, you'll learn the secrets to conquering the meeting room and reclaiming your precious time. Dr. Brinkman has cracked the code to address the most common meeting pitfalls: preparation, people, process, and time. Through a step-by-step method, he unveils powerful insights into human behavior that often derail meetings. You'll gain a deep understanding of the psychological dynamics at play and, more importantly, the practical tactics to counteract them. In this invaluable guide, you'll discover how to say goodbye to unnecessary meetings that suck the life out of your day. 3 o'clock start and end meetings on time, freeing up your schedule for more important tasks. Craft and execute an effective agenda, ensuring every minute is purposeful. Tackle disruptive behaviors head-on, promoting a harmonious and productive environment. Achieve a balanced participation level, ensuring everyone's voices are heard. Maintain focus, eliminate tangents, and keep the discussion on track. Ensure effective follow-up, turning talk into action and driving tangible results. Whether you're facing in-person meetings or navigating the world of virtual collaborations, this practical and easy-to-implement process works for gatherings of any size. Dr. Brinkman's insights, accompanied by helpful checklists and change-making strategies, will revolutionize the way you approach meetings. Imagine walking into a conference room bursting with efficiency, energy, and enthusiasm. Picture yourself actively contributing, leaving every meeting with a sense of accomplishment. With Dealing with Meetings You Can't Stand, you can make this your new reality. No longer will you suffer through mind-numbing discussions or tolerate time-wasting encounters. Take control of your meetings, transform them into engaging and productive sessions, and reclaim your valuable time. Are you ready to bid farewell to unproductive meetings forever? Grab your copy of Dealing with Meetings You Can't Stand today and unlock the secret to turning every meeting into a success story. Your time is precious, don't waste another minute in inefficient gatherings. Act now and embrace the meeting room revolution. Have you ever stopped to consider the staggering cost of poor meetings? It's time to shine a light on the hidden expenses that drain your resources, hinder progress, and leave you feeling frustrated. Take a moment to reflect on the following. Wasted time. Ineffective meetings eat away at the precious hours of your workday. Endless rambling, lack of focus, and disorganized discussions rob you of valuable time that could be spent on meaningful tasks. How many hours have you lost to unproductive meetings? The toll adds up, impacting deadlines, efficiency, and your overall well-being. Financial loss. Time is money, and each minute spent in unproductive meetings represents a financial drain on your organization. Consider the collective salaries of everyone involved in a meeting that yields little to no results. The true cost becomes evident when you calculate the opportunity cost of what could have been accomplished during that time. Decreased productivity. Poorly managed meetings create a domino effect on productivity. When participants feel their time is wasted, morale plummets, motivation dwindles, and enthusiasm for work diminishes. The consequences ripple throughout the organization, leading to missed deadlines, decreased quality of work, and a stagnant bottom line. Chaos and confusion. Meetings lacking structure and clear objectives sow the seeds of chaos. Without a well-defined agenda, participants wander off on tangents, discussions become fragmented, and decisions get postponed or lost in the shuffle. This leads to confusion, misunderstandings, and a lack of accountability, derailing progress and hindering success. Now, imagine a different scenario. One where every meeting is purposeful, efficient, and leaves you feeling energized and accomplished. Picture a workplace where meetings inspire collaboration, drive innovation, and propel your team forward. This transformation is within your grasp. In this game-changing workshop, you'll learn strategies for planning and executing meetings that deliver tangible results. Time-saving techniques to ensure meetings start and end promptly. Effective agenda-setting methods to maintain focus and achieve desired outcomes. Techniques for fostering engagement, participation, and meaningful contributions from all attendees. The transformative power of decision-making and follow-up strategies. Don't let inefficiency and wasted opportunities continue to hinder your progress. Take charge of your meetings, reclaim your time, and watch your productivity soar. Join us today and unlock the true cost of inefficient meetings. Your path to reclaiming success starts now.